I sit here?
Yes, you might.
Thanks. Hi, my name is Fai. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Ivana.
Hmm, do you like reading books?
Yes, I do. Because I think reading is better than spending time playing games.
Yeah, that's right. So, is your hobby reading?
Yes, I am. And how about you? What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading too.
Really?
Yes. By the way, this place is as peaceful as Surabaya, huh?
Yes, this place is sweeter than in the past.
There you are, Pai.
We've been looking for you to read some books together.
Oh, sorry about that, guys.
It's okay, Pai, but who is that friend beside you?
Oh yes, let me introduce to you my new friend, Ivana. And Ivana, these are my friends. Radit, Ronnie, and Angel.
Nice to meet you, Ivana.
Nice to meet you too.
Can we read books together?
Yeah, sure.
By the way, which is easier to learn, maths or biology?
I think biology is easier than math.
How about math, physics, or English? Which one is the most difficult to learn?
It is how difficult as math to learn.
For me, math is easier than English to learn.
Oh yeah, actually, math is the most difficult, and English is the easiest to learn.
The first lesson will be started in 5 minutes.
Guys, I think we should go back to our respective classes.
Yeah, that's right.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, guys.